All right, let's settle a classic debate. In a fight, what's the real power punch? Is it that lightning fast lead jab, or is it the big winding rear cross? You probably have your own idea, but let's see what the science actually says. And yeah, at first glance, the numbers seem to back up what you'd expect. A study looked at elite boxers, and the data's pretty clear. The lead jab clocks in around 1,182 newtons. But the rear cross? A massive 1,709 newtons. That's a huge difference, almost 45% harder. So the logical conclusion here is pretty simple, right? The cross feels way more powerful because you're twisting your hips, you're rotating your whole torso, you're literally throwing more of your body weight into it. More mass equals more force. Case closed. Or is it?
Well, here is where it gets really interesting. Scientists measured what they call effective mass. That's the actual percentage of your body weight you're putting behind the punch. And get this, the jab uses 21.5% of the boxer's mass, and the cross, 21.0%. They're almost identical. So much for that theory. Okay, so if the mass is pretty much the same for both punches, what gives? Well, you might remember from high school physics, force equals mass times acceleration. And if we know the mass isn't the difference maker, there's only one thing left. The secret to the cross's incredible power is pure acceleration. That big rotation lets the fist move so much faster, and that's what creates the knockout force. It's just a perfect example of how data can totally flip what we think we know on its head and show us the hidden physics behind athletic genius. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other sports myths that we all believe are just waiting for the right data to come along and prove them wrong?